Want this? Let's start. First, aggressive white flash. Get your clips ready. Then add a white solid layer. And trim it to only one frame in the starting. And it's done. Second, white split transition. In this you need 2 frame. Make a mask like this. And separate it in 2. Select second mask layer. Then select mask. And then select subtract. And it's done. Third, smooth white flash. Add a white solid on full clip. Set a opacity keyframe at the beginning. And set value 100. Then add another keyframe at end and set value to 0. Select the keyframes and press F9 to easy ease. Copy my graph. And it's done. Fourth transition. You need 4 frames. Split it like this. Then mask like this on every frame. I speed up this part. And it's done. My friend challenged me to complete 10K subscribers before the end of 2025. So make sure to subscribe, and let me know what do you want next. Thanks for watching.